अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, देसी टीवी यूएसए के साथ मैं हूँ किरण खान। आए नज़र डालते हैं आज की खुसूसी रिपोर्ट की जानिब। ह्यूस्टन में 26वीं सालाना रमज़ान डिनर का शानदार इनकाद किया गया, जिसके मेज़बान और चीफ ऑर्गेनाइज़र मोहम्मद सईद शेख थे। मोहम्मद सईद शेख एक मारूफ पाकिस्तानी अमरीकी बिजनेस शख्सियत हैं, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तानी अमरीकी कम्युनिटी की खिदमत के लिए दहाइयों से अपनी खिदमात पेश की हैं। वो ह्यूस्टन कराची सिस्टर सिटी एसोसिएशन के सदर भी हैं, जो कि दो शहरों के दरमियान ताल्लुकात को मजबूत बनाने में अहम किरदार अदा कर रहे हैं। इस तकरीब में पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी के अफराद ने बड़ी तादाद में शिरकत की और इफ्तार के मौका पर एक दूसरे के साथ मिल बैठे। बिलाशुबा ये मौका मोहम्मद सईद शेख की शानदार शख्सियत, उनकी मेहनत और लगन का मुंह बोलता सबूत था। मोहम्मद सईद शेख ने अपने खिताब में रमज़ान की रूहानी और इखलाकी अहमियत पर रोशनी डालते हुए कहा है कि ये महीना हमें एक दूसरे के करीब लाने और हम ख्याल अफराद के साथ मिलकर माशरती भलाई के लिए काम करने का मौका फ्राहम करता है। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि ऐसे इवेंट्स ना सिर्फ हमारे सकाफ़ती विरसे की अक्कासी करते हैं, बल्कि पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी के अंदर दोस्ती और मोहब्बत को भी बढ़ाते हैं। उन्होंने मज़ीद क्या कहा, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Houston Karachi Sister City Association and coordinator of the Houston Iftar Organizing Committee.
Respected ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all with the greetings of Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem. Our Creator, the most merciful, is indeed the most gracious for blessing us another Ramadan. The responsibility of putting together an event like this is extremely testing. And many of the people of my organizing committee and my guests knows why I said that. I'm honored to most warmly welcome you all to the Houston Iftar 2025, the 26th annual Ramadan dinner with the Mayor of Houston. As you all know, the Houston Iftar used to be Mayor's Iftar initiative, got started by a small group of leaders from Houston Muslim community in front of the City Hall with Honorable Mayor D.P. Brown in 1999. Houston Iftar aims to promote interfaith harmony, tolerance, cultural diversity, and peace for all, which are the most essential ingredient of these trying times. Today, you are again witnessing another biggest and the largest iftar. Over 2,000 to 2,200 people are here tonight, and the members of the organizing committee are very gracious to welcome them all, along with many, many dignitaries. At this juncture, we are honored to be formally welcoming the 63rd Mayor of our beloved city, Houston, Honorable John Whitmire. We are not only welcoming Mayor to his second iftar, but also very grateful to him, his presence, inspiration, and extended to the Houstonian, the Muslim community, unconditional support for the Houston Iftar. Also, thanking tonight for the unparalleled support and generosity from one personality who always supported Houston Iftar since last 15 years as the chief patron. The most outstanding business personality who doesn't live here in Houston, he lives in Midland, but he never miss Iftar dinner and never say no to us, whatever we need from him. Please welcome CEO of Midland Energy, Mr. Syed Javed Anwar. Tonight, we want to welcome our dear member of the United States Congress, who will be here shortly, Honorable Congressman Al Green, who has always supported our community wholeheartedly. Additionally, we are once again pleased to welcome our dear friend of this community, who is also an outstanding businessman, and he is the CEO of Park Food, Mr. Tanveer Ahmed. We feel so happy in hosting some of our cities or greater Houston area officials here this evening. I would like to welcome them to this event, and please hold your applause till the end. Let's welcome an outstanding personality who is serving also as the mayor of Stafford, Mayor Ken Matthew. Also, we would like to welcome our council member and Mayor Pro Tem, Noshad Ali, City of Sugar Land. Council member Latisha Plummer, at large position for City of Houston. We are expecting City State Representative Suleiman Adani, who might be here shortly. At the same time, we have the honor of having another state representative, Mr. Matthew. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. State representative. We do also have another member of City Council of City of Stafford, Council member Xavier Herrera. Sister cities of Houston always played a very vital role in coordinating this iftar through Abu Dhabi, Baku, Basra, Istanbul, and Karachi, and United Arab Emirates, including this gesture. We have Spain and Turkey consulate representation and our media partners. Without them, this event cannot be broadcasted around the world. Today, through Dish Network, once again, we have a live transmission going throughout North America, USA and Canada, and also throughout the world through several social media streaming. Again, my special thanks for all of these media outlets who belong from different entities, and just to honor them, we have their names listed on the program, and you will see their logos on these big screens. As you all know, the organizing committee is committed to organize the iftar the best we can. I am grateful to all the members of the organizing committee, each and every collaborating organization who has worked really very hard. And I would like to commend the untiring efforts of their delegation, including the Mayor's Office of Trade and International Affairs. The whole staff has attended our meetings as the volunteer under the leadership of GGD. I would also like to thank especially our main collaborating partners, the Islamic Society of Greater Houston, under the leadership of Imran Ghazi, has played a very vital role in uniting the community. And once again, you have seen that so quickly we have filled the whole ballroom, and definitely we will continue to work under his shadow to grow this iftar more and more and keep the platform of this iftar as a united platform. I would also like to thank Ismaili Council, Gora Jamaat, and many other associations, Arab community, Bangladesh, Pakistan, so many community members are there. If I'm missing someone, I apologize. African community, they are all always give their best to organize this iftar. With that, I want to conclude, and I want to assure you this is the very honest effort of the organizing committee and several community organizations without any political or any other stuff. So my request to you all to please notice one thing, remember, this is, I feel and my committee feel, this is the biggest achievement of Muslim community in the whole United States, where we are organizing the largest iftar in the whole country, including Canada as well. Please try to promote, not to come to a point where we will not even have this. This is the success of the Muslim community, and let's continue with that. May God bless you all, the United States and our great city of Houston, under the dynamic leadership of Mayor John Whitmire. Thank you all.
मोहम्मद सईद शेख की ये काविश बिलाशुबा लाजवाब है, जिसको 26 साल हो चुके हैं, जहां मुख्तलिफ कम्युनिटीज़ को मुस्लिम कम्युनिटीज़ के इस मजहबी त्यौहार को करीब से देखने और मिल बैठने का मौका मैसर आता है। तकरीब के शुरका ने रोज़ा इफ्तार करने के बाद एक दूसरे के साथ मोहब्बतों और चाहतों का इजहार किया और रमज़ान की खुशियों का भरपूर लुत्फ़ उठाया। मोहम्मद सईद शेख ने इस शानदार इवेंट के इनेकाद में शिरकत करने वाले तमाम अफराद का शुक्रिया अदा किया और उम्मीद ज़ाहिर की कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम जारी रहेंगे ताकि हमारी सकाफ़त और रवायात को ज़िंदा रखा जा सके। देसी टीवी यूएसए से फिर वक्त इतना ही। मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए देसी टीवी यूएसए और हमारा OTT प्लेटफॉर्म DTV फ्लिक्स, जहां 3000 से ज़ायद चैनल्स आप देख सकते हैं। लास्ट वाले